Maria Rodriguez watched her HVAC business revenue drop 40% every winter in Winston-Salem. Air conditioning calls disappeared, and her crew sat idle for months, until she discovered something that changed everything. During a routine heat pump maintenance call, she learned about oil fouling, a microscopic film coating the inside of heat exchanger tubes, reducing efficiency by 30%. The math was incredible. $125 per ton retail, 20% close rate, over $9,000 net profit per gallon of ACFlush. She hesitated. Could this really work on her existing service calls? The technology was NASA tested and ASHRAE verified. Real credibility. She decided to implement ACFlush across every heat pump service. First month results shocked her. Steady revenue from the same customers, zero new labor costs. Her seasonal business transformed overnight. Monthly profits now exceed $26,000. Year-round stability from calls she already ran. Winter was no longer her enemy.